Hey, I'm Jacob.
Hey, I'm Jeff.
And today we're going to be telling you about a brand new item in our online store that you're definitely going to want to check out if you live in a hot area.
It's the Isotherm Cool Vest. This thing has two inserts that you charge in ice water, then it's supposed to keep you cool for hours.
That's right, and today we're going to put it to the test in the Texas heat and find out if it actually reduces fatigue and keeps us comfortable in the sun. Each vest has two cool packs which velcro into the front and back side of the vest. Then the two halves velcro together at the shoulders. Two more velcro straps keep the packs chilling against your torso. Okay, Jeff, I'm already hot. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling pretty awesome right now. This thing's lightweight and it's definitely keeping me cool.
How nice. Well, we're going to put it to the test. We're each going to blast one of those panels and see how we feel. Jeff and I did a series of strenuous tasks, him wearing the vest and me not, and I'd say the results were conclusive. Well, folks, I'm pretty convinced because I'm sweating like crazy and Jeff doesn't look like he's perspired a drop. How you feeling, Jeff?
I'm feeling pretty good. This thing has done an awesome job. It has kept me cool out in this heat and I'm really impressed.
You know, it's 103 out here. We've been out here for about an hour and a half. Is it still cooling you?
Yeah, after about an hour and a half, this thing is definitely still keeping me cool. It's quite surprising, but it's done a great job.
Very nice. So ultimately, you would recommend?
Yes, fully recommend. 100% win in my book.
Store.dustlessblasting.com. Get yourself one and be more comfortable.